Replacing the key fob battery in a 2014-2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee is a simple DIY task, usually taking 5 to 10 minutes. You'll need a CR2032 battery, a small flathead screwdriver or coin, and that's it. The key fob uses radio frequency RF to communicate with your vehicle. The CR2032 battery powers this communication and needs replacement every 1 to 3 years depending on usage. First, gather your CR2032 battery and your flat tool. Locate the notch on the key fob's seam. Insert the tool and gently pry it open. You may need to remove the metal key blade first. Pop out the old battery, noting the positive side plus. Then insert the new CR2032 with the correct orientation. Snap the fob back together firmly. Test the fob to ensure the vehicle responds. Properly dispose of the old battery. If the fob doesn't work, there may be a deeper issue.